Welcome back to Sports 56 Middays. It's time to tee it up and chase birdies. It's the 19th hole with Stonebridge Director of Golf, Eric Howard. The bridge is back. Here's Greg Guest and Eli Savoy and Eric Howard.
The bridge is back and the boys are back. Both Eric Howard, the Director of Golf at Stonebridge, and Bruno Strauch, a PGA professional who is my coach and should be your coach. They are both in studio today. And, guys, before we do anything, I don't know, you don't have headphones, you might not be able to hear it, but Ben Hogan, you were out at Stonebridge, I think, on Monday. How did you enjoy it?
I had a great time. Course was in great condition. I took a couple of my buddies out there. They said, man, I'd love to play out there every week over any of the other courses here in Memphis. The greens were perfect. Usually I spend most of my round trying to figure out the speeds of the green because they vary, but these were consistent. I had a great time.
Unsolicited. How about that?
Awesome. Now, we've had you play. We've had Ben play. Just got to work on Eli over here and get him out there. He's a holdout.
The problem is a couple times he wanted to come play, but his limo driver had the day off, so unless he's going to get limoed over there.
Tough. The helicopter's out of service right now. I'm getting that worked on.
Course is looking great. I was over there working with Bruno on Tuesday, and it seems like a lot of people are getting wind. They're catching the fever of going out there and taking advantage of what you have to offer at Stonebridge.
Yeah, we have so many things going on out there. This is Memorial Day weekend, red, white, and blue. We've even got a special we're running this weekend in honor of that, both Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. After 12 noon, you can play for $39, but we're doing a little kick-in for you. We're going to give you 2 tickets to the snack bar, which you can use for a fountain drink, a draft of beer, or a hot dog. So, if you haven't had that time to grill out or it's too early in the day on Memorial Day to grill out with the family, come on out to the bridge, have a bridge burger, a tour dog, and come play on a great course.
That's a great deal. And that's all 3 days?
That's all 3 days.
So on holiday weekend, you're giving that deal up?
We want more and more people to come out and experience. I mean, every day there are new people coming out there saying, hey, I've heard about it, now I want to come experience it. We've got our 2-man scramble during the week. That thing's out of control again at 3 and 5:30. We're having to turn people away, actually, for the 5:30 time. The kids' clinic's coming up next week with Bruno. I already got 15 kids signed up. Believe that. So it's going to be an awesome weekend. I'm also going to do something special. We want people to dress up patriotic-wise. And so we're going to kind of be judging foursomes. So the foursomes with the nicest attire, red, white, and blue, USA, good old America, we're going to reward them 1 foursome per day. And I'm going to give them an extra round apiece for free.
I would say that's a great thing. I would suggest don't go like Bobby Jones old school, wear any wool out there because you'll be needing the paramedics to come in. We don't need that. So just red, white, and blue, a nice casual, cool shirt.
Yep,
don't go real old school.
Got to be a foursome, though. No singles, no twosomes. We want a foursome. And we're going to make your picture and put it on the website, too. So a lot of great things happening this weekend.
www.stonebridgegolf.com is the website address. Call up Eric and the fine folks at Stonebridge right now. Get a tee time for this weekend, for the holiday weekend, or at any time. 901-382-1886. Sign up for the kids' clinic. I'm going to bring in Bruno in just a second to talk a little bit about that. We were talking before we went back, during the commercial break, before we went back on air, about establishing a handicap. And I know, Eli, that's something that you haven't played enough rounds, but you're trying to get that established, and Eric wants to tell everybody about how to do that.
Yeah, it's because there are tournaments, some tournaments, even scrambles or whatever that you'll play in that there is a handicap. They want to know what your handicap is, and it's something I've always wanted to do, so I started doing it this year. Now, unfortunately, I just don't get out and play enough rounds of golf, and I haven't got it yet because you have to have 10 rounds of golf before you could establish a handicap, but it's very simple to do.
It's very simple. You can stop by our pro shop, and we'll get you set up in the system. Then from there, it is, like he said, playing at least 10 rounds of golf, and they average your scores over those 10 rounds. You're also able, once we put you in the system, to put in your scores from home, so you can monitor your progress that way. It'll tell you what you're trying to trend toward, whether it's a higher or lower handicap. The cost is $30, and that money does not go to us. It goes to the Tennessee PGA, which maintains the handicap system. But it's a good way to be able to track your progress as well And if you do have to go play in a tournament that requires a handicap, which levels the playing field against better players, then you're set.
Here on the 19th hole, for a number of weeks now, we've been talking about what Stonebridge has to offer, not just playing a round of golf, but learning the game of golf. With their 25-station driving range, they got a separate chipping facility, practice sand bunker, a large putting green, but they also have the Stonebridge Golf Academy. And Bruno Straka, who's here with us every other Friday, does a tremendous job in teaching the game. He's my teacher. He should be your teacher. And you can contact Bruno at that same number that I just gave, and that's an easy way to get in touch with him at 382-1886. But, Bruno, let's first talk about the Kids Clinic that's coming up. As Eric said, 15 have signed up. I know we can get more. What do you plan to do with the youngsters?
Well, the clinic is starting Monday, June 4th. It's going to be running through the 7th. It goes from 7:30 a.m. till 10:30. For all 4 days, it's $80 for a child. So that's a lot of instruction for $80. What we're going to be working on is ranges from ages 6 to 13. So we're going to separate them into groups, and obviously we'll be working on the fundamentals for the younger children, and then just take it from there. It's a great opportunity for the children who are 13 that are looking for high school golf coming up this upcoming season to really get a good tune-up so they can be looking to qualify for their high school teams.
And as we always say, you're better off learning the fundamentals early on instead of developing a lot of bad habits and then trying to correct them later.
Absolutely, and summertime's just a great time, especially when it gets hot and there's a little bit more free time for them to come out, not only to hit balls, but actually experiencing playing the golf course itself and just getting familiar of what golf is all about. And especially if they start with some good instruction, the game's a lot easier than it would be just starting cold.
Bruno, for a youngster, let's say, 5, 6, 7-year-old picking up the sticks for the first time, or an adult picking up the sticks for the first time, is it different the way you instruct them in the fundamentals to start?
Well, for the younger children, obviously, yeah, just, we do a lot more type of game things with them. So instead of using golf balls, I'll go to tennis balls, or we'll go to beach balls, actually them feel contact, especially for children who are 6, 7, 8 years old that really haven't developed the proper golf muscles. It's fun to watch that beach ball actually go out into the driving range and actually hitting something. There's a lot less frustration. So it's all about making the game a lot of fun and keeping their attention for an extended period of time. And they don't realize while they're having all that fun that they're actually learning some pretty solid fundamentals as well.
Sometimes when I'm putting, I feel like I'm putting with a beach ball. It doesn't never seem to go in.
If the hole was as big as the beach ball,
yeah,
then
that would help out a lot. There's no doubt about that.
The 56 Sports Stroke Saber Clinic is something Bruno also does every Thursday evening from 6 to 7, weather permitting. $10 per person, all ages welcome. You can call 382-1886. How's that going?
It's going great. We're having just a very good crew. We range anywhere between